the goal amalgam. This technique, one especially for the lazy, is the goal amalgam. The most important condition for visualizing to be successful is that you do not force yourself to practice it. If you find yourself putting pressure on yourself to turn the target slide in your mind because you are not getting any enjoyment out of it, you will generate excess potential. Balancing forces will reduce your work to nil as a result. It is better in this case to abandon the burdensome task and pass it off onto the shoulders of your world. Ask your world to carry you. Let your world take care of realizing your choice. Tell yourself, although the how may be unbeknownst to me, everything will work its way through in the best way possible. In declaring this intention, you program your world to let events spontaneously unfold in such a way that they will bring you closer to your goal. As a result, you let go your grip and allow outer intention to realize the goal. Now, you can relax and give yourself permission to simply enjoy the target slide. You are no longer obligated to work on it. The world is doing that for you. While relaxing in the world's embrace, do not forget to remind the world from time to time what you expect to receive from it. And of course, do not float in the clouds. Carry out whatever is required of you on the physical plane for the goal to be achieved. Whatever technique you use, always remember that you are not expressing a wish. You are expressing a firm intention, and see the goal as an inevitable finale. If you cannot bring yourself to say, I have, at the very least say, I plan to have. In order to genuinely intend to receive your order, you must take some concrete action that will confirm the seriousness of your intention. For example, if you want to get up in the morning at a certain time, you might risk oversleeping. But if you set your alarm clock, you are likely to wake up a few minutes before it goes off. The point is to give focus to your intention to have.